Hello, Karis.
Well,
We're going to do a cold start on the truck. Yes, it's a Pullstring. We're going to do the outside. I don't know how loud this is going to be. I told you. Listen carefully. Pretty nice truck. He has a tail light missing. We've been trying to fix that thing on that forever. I just got this thing running. If you watched my last video, this is still here. I just got that thing running, and now I'm going to adjust the carburetor mixture, air fuel mixture on this one. So, Chris, I thank you for making that video, and I hope I do this right. So, I'll try to record this thing when I get completely finished here, and show you if it's running right, what it's doing exactly, and what it's not doing. So, yep, I'll make another video soon, and it's Friday night, so I might make some inside my house of nothing. You never know. So, see you later.